Hello, hola, привет. Today we are making banana oat cookies. For these cookies, you will need 1 cup of oats, 2 bananas. The browner the better, it's easier to mash up. Your choice for flavor, vanilla extract, cinnamon. Tools, you will need a bowl to mix and a fork to mash up. You will also need a cookie sheet or a flat pan to line it up with. I will begin by spraying my cookie sheet down with canola oil. You can start preheating your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going in sideways with my fork in order to cut up the bananas into smaller pieces. Once those are cut into smaller pieces, I like to place the grains onto the bananas so that it creates that tackiness. Now you can do the bananas before, which might be easier. I just do it this way because I feel like it kind of gets both tasks done at once. These cookies are a great alternative to snacks. It's just bananas and oats that you would stop at. So the cinnamon and vanilla give it that extra flavor of sweetness. You do not need to add any sugar to these cookies. And the reason being is because the bananas give it all natural sugars as it is. So it's already very sweet. If you're trying to make protein bars, you could add walnuts, dates, cranberries, or raisins. I'll be doing that with a few of these, but for the most part. Ooh, you know what I like to put in my own? These are from somebody else, but for my own, I'll be adding chocolate chips. For the protein ones, I'll be adding the 4 ingredients as you saw. And these in the refrigerator, and you can store them up to 3 days. They probably won't last you that long because they're so yummy. Now this is the part where we put into our baking sheets. I like to scoop them halfway in. These do not grow, okay? They do not grow. So what you put in is what you're gonna get out. I'm gonna do 3 plain. Well, maybe I'll hide my chocolate chips in that one. So these are the chocolate chips I like to get. Go ahead and push them in. I probably should, I usually make different batches for this, but for video purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and just sneak them in on top. Which is okay. I mean, I guess this way, they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. And that's always nice, right? You have an even amount? Okay. I'm just gonna make that look pretty again by kind of stomping down with my fork. Now with this mix, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my 4 other ingredients. And we'll mix that up and be back. I'm gonna go ahead and mix them up. I put about a pinch of each. So again, that was walnuts, dates, cranberries, and raisins. To be honest, I just went into the snack section of the grocery store and saw what the protein bars were made of, and I was like, I can do that, but healthier. And I wish I had honey, but you could mix honey. You can also put peanut butter or almond butter in here. This is just it's just really easy to make. It should only take you 15 minutes to cook inside the oven and 5 minutes to prepare. So 20 minutes altogether and you have yourself a very nice snack. These are also good if you're on the go for breakfast. So this made half my tray. If I wanted to fill the tray up, I would have used 4 bananas, 2 cups of oats. They will go into the oven for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. I'll see you when they're ready. After 15 minutes at 350 degrees, they are complete, they are ready, and they are scrumptious. Enjoy. As always, bye-bye, adios, paca paca. Thank you for watching.